but now a bitch, okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch, okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got a bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Fuck in the lane, fuck the brain. You want insane. Pick up a chick on the chain, pick up a chick in the flame. Crazy can make you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset, yeah.
Good day, beautiful people. I hope you are good. So today we're going on a boat cruise. Isn't that cutesy? We're going on a boat cruise. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are doing well, because I'm doing pretty good. So people, today we're going on a boat cruise. I'm just gonna be with my friends today. Nothing big, nothing hectic. So I guess I'll see you guys when I get there, because I'm already dressed. I finished, and we're pretty early today because we have a lot of things to do today. But today I'm just gonna take you guys through the boat cruise and the beach. That's it. And also my outfit, it's a long sleeve, and I'm wearing, it's kind of pretty, it's kind of cute, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Love you. Oh my god, the nipples are literally out. The nipples are nippling. Pretty people. I forgot my tripod. And I have to go back again. At least I'm not far. So I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, someone it's not me. Okay guys, what's happening? Oh, somebody is getting in. Okay guys, somebody was getting in. So I wanted to say, ask why, like why? He's wearing blue. Yesterday he was wearing, I don't remember. But I change. Why? But I'm sneaky. See you guys later. Bye.
Bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties seem pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she's so counterfeit. I'm the baddie in the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in runway, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa.
Hey biddies, so at VNA now, sorry for the noise. There's a performer, let me quickly show you, it's so adorable.
Nothing is like I'm a superstar, oh pastel. I'm a superstar, oh pastel.
Come on!
be your
Fairy tale. I can be your fairy tale.
This is what I have to, in order to have to, I would do it all again. So can I be your fairy? Promise I will love you
There's no. Hi guys, so this is when we were walking at. Can you please? Okay guys, when I literally tell you that we're still not at the boat cruise, you won't believe it. Okay, so we just got into Pick and Pay because we wanted booze. We wanted booze for the boat cruise, because it's gonna be like an hour and 30 minutes. So we thought it was gonna be 30 minutes only, but it's an hour and 30 minutes. We were able to bag a private boat, sorry. We were able to get it, and yeah. We obviously need booze for a private cruise. We obviously need it. So like now we just got into the Waterfront mall again. So Sona and Gladness are in the bathroom after we're heading straight there because we're actually 10 minutes. No, not earlier, not late. We shorting. We need 10 minutes. Okay, we have 10 minutes to be there. So we're still wasting their time. And guys, literally everyone is looking at me, talking, literally. So I don't know where I get this courage, but I love it. So like guys, I'm literally waiting for them. They're still in the bathroom. Can you believe it? Oh my god. Like guys, literally everyone is staring, but we don't care. Bye.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
me get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fell, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? What you waiting on, look daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. No, now, just do it now. Oh yeah. When that nigga pull up on me, tell that nigga back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. I got shut Five years of dating, tired of being patient. What the fuck you waiting for? Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hating, and I don't entertain them. But damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. Don't waste my time with you. Okay, since you gotta have it good, I'ma start that clock on you. We gon' see what's up when a nigga pull up on me. Tell a nigga back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish that niggas back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. I got
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning through it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. Talking lost news and that's the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't excuse when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You know. In the top top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. The party bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you, day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here.
Good morning, beautiful people. I just wanted to do an outro because yesterday I was so tired. Guys, yesterday I was literally so tired and I just went to sleep. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for being with us throughout the journey. It was a very long drive. It was crazy. Like, it was so long. But yeah, thank you guys for coming with me. And I think I'm just gonna conclude the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share, guys. Share it to your friends, share it to your mothers and fathers, brothers and sisters, friends of friends. You know what I mean? Cousins and long distance relationships, long distance partners. I actually wanted to say long distance relatives, extended family. You know what I mean? So please don't forget to share beautiful people. It's gonna be a very good time. So bye, love you all.